Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that's tickling the curiosity of many. Is selling feet pics online really dangerous? We're diving deep into what makes some of you hesitant about how FeetFinder ensures a safe selling experience. Let's get those myths debunked. Understanding privacy concerns. So many of you have voiced concerns about privacy when it comes to selling feet pics. What are the worries? There's fear of personal exposure, where your private information might leak, or worse, ending up in a scam where your details are misused or you're never paid. These are genuine concerns, especially in less regulated corners of the internet. First things first, selling feet pics can be completely safe if you choose the right platform. That's where FeetFinder comes in. Engineered with state-of-the-art security measures, it ensures that all transactions are encrypted and that personal data is kept private. FeetFinder is not just a marketplace, but a safeguarded environment designed with your privacy and security as the top priority. The verification process. Before you start selling, FeetFinder requires a simple but effective verification process. Just register at FeetFinder.com. Getting verified is crucial. It filters out anyone with less than pure intentions, ensuring a community of verified buyers and sellers. Unleashing your creativity safely. Now, once you're verified, you can start snapping away. There's no limit to the number of pics you can upload on FeetFinder. Whether it's candid shots by the pool, your toesies in stylish heels, or creative poses, your only limit is your imagination. Always think quality, clear, well-lit photos will sell better though. User testimonials and assurance. If you're still worried, let's put those fears to rest. See it straight from the horse's or user's review. FeetFinder prides itself on user satisfaction and safety. It's not just about making a quick buck. It's also about building a safe space for this unique exchange. So, is selling feet pics dangerous? On the right platform with the right precautions, it's as safe as selling any other kind of photography online. Don't forget to hit subscribe and visit FeetFinder.com to join a community where safety and creativity walk hand in hand. Dive into the world of feet photography with no worries. See you in the next video, and remember, keep those toes camera ready. See ya!